Fry pan meatball lasagna. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Cut each meatball into quarters, then heat a large non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Add half the meatballs and cook turning for 2 minutes or until browned all over. Transfer the meatballs to a large heat-proof bowl and repeat with the remaining meatballs. Return the meatballs to the pan with the pasta sauce and 1/4 cup of water. Cook stirring for 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly. Transfer the meatball mixture to a heat-proof bowl. Next, spoon 1/3 of the meatball mixture into the base of the frying pan. Then dip 1/3 of the lasagna sheets into boiling water until softened. Place over the meatballs, overlapping slightly. Spoon over 1/3 of the cheese sauce, spreading to cover the lasagna sheets. Top with the remaining meatball mixture and half the spinach leaves. Continue layering with the softened lasagna sheets, cheese sauce, meatball mixture and spinach, finishing with a layer of cheese sauce. Sprinkle over the pizza cheese. Pop the lasagna in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is golden and the lasagna is heated through. Meanwhile, place the vine-ripened cherry tomatoes onto a baking paper-lined tray. Pop in the oven and roast for 15 minutes or until the tomatoes begin to collapse. To serve, top the lasagna with tomatoes and season with salt and pepper. Finish by scattering over some thyme sprigs and basil leaves. We've combined 2 favourites in this tasty meatball lasagna. Layer up the ingredients, then bake until golden for an easy dinner.